there's one thing that you will miss about China. It's the crowd. The crowd is crazy. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. We are currently... Look, Ellen looks so fresh. I look so tired. But we are currently walking to one of the tallest building in Wuhan that gives 360 panoramic view. It's not a finished building yet, but I think it will give a very nice overview of Wuhan around the city.
Your tongue somewhere, don't know what to say. Stop and run around, oh you act like a kid. I am not your mama, just admit what you did. I got enough to do, then hang around and wait for you.
That was quite an introduction, long speech. Introduction of Wuhan. Behind me is the Yangtze River, which is the third longest river in the world. Too bad the windows are a bit too dirty, so you can't really see. But Wuhan is one of the very few cities in China that has an airport which allow you to apply for 72 visa-free transit, something like that. So you can actually travel to China for a couple of days, explore a little bit without having to apply visa. We have a much clearer and brighter windows, but behind me is all the river. A little bit of development here and there. They're also providing a telescope. We're going to my favorite part of the day, eating! I am so starving. It's Sunday, it means everyone's getting married. There are three, right? There are 3 weddings already. 4! Oh my god, at this one particular place.
With the rich freshwater resources, Hubei has a flourishing fishing industry, and the local cuisine is one of the noted 10 cuisines in China. Its freshwater fish dishes are well known and dominate 80% of the menus at the restaurants in Wuhan. Different from either sweet Cantonese food or hot spicy Sichuan cuisine, Hubei cuisine features lightly spiced flavoring and strong taste, delicious soups, and delicate fish dishes. Wuhan cuisine is also known for its unique methods of preparing delicacies from land and sea, freshwater, fish, and soup.
Because Wuhan is located close to the river, so their fish should be really fresh. Got my mushroom. The food was so good. I am happy in a way. How do you like the food? Yeah. We were talking about makeup and lipstick, which is something that I'm very much happy about. But we're going back to the hotel for an hour nap. I'm going to take shower. See you later. Hello, I am back. I'm feeling refreshed. You feeling refreshed? We are currently at Hubei Province Museum because Wuhan is actually located in Hubei Province, being the capital of the city. We're currently inside of the Hubei Museum and in front of exhibition hall of tomb Marquis Yi of Cheng. Do you know who is this person, Marquis Yi of Cheng?
Actually, I don't know him.
You told me you'll be my guide. Fake guide. Fake guide.
Yes.
Hubei Provincial Museum is one of the best-known museums in China, with a large amount of state-level historic and cultural relics. It has a collection of over 200,000 objects, including pottery, porcelain, jades, ancient weapons, ancient musical instruments, ancient coins, ancient calligraphy, and paintings. the particular importance of several of the archaeological items in the museum's collection has been recognized by the national government.
I would say Chinese museum is actually very much well preserved in terms of the quality, the design, how they actually protect every single artifacts and everything like that. If you are a fan, like history geek, you would enjoy museums most times in China. Behind me is wine vessel. In the past, they used this type of vessel to preserve the wine. I guess Chinese really like drinking. Chinese really likes drinking since in the past.
Yes.
Yeah? Do you like drinking?
No.
The wine vessel. This is actually the biggest vessel found in China that is used during the sacrifices and also banquets. Alan said
They are
it's
very rich.
why?
Because you can drink every day.
So if you can drink every day, that means you're rich.
Yes.
The museum consists of 3 parts, including the Chime Bell Exhibition Hall. One of the 2 parts in the Chime Bell Exhibition Hall is the music hall, which allows you to enjoy the beautiful music from the replica of the chime bells played by musicians who wear ancient clothes. The performance, which has been played overseas on many occasions, is played 2 times a day at 11 a.m. and 4 p.m.
The performance was a bit too quick. I like the dance. It reminds me of drum show in Xi'an that I watched last year. What are we doing? We're waiting
Yes.
for
other people.
we're waiting for the bus, and then we are going to have an early dinner because it may take an hour bus ride. We have just arrived to... Where is it? You don't know? Do you know?
I don't know.
Oh my god. So we have just arrived to the carnival event, and there's so many people, like so many.
Yes.
We're all confused, like how to even get there. And there is a police trying to help us, but still.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I just...
Joshua, what? We have been treated like VIP person, right? Otherwise, there is no way we can get in here. Do you feel special?
Yes, I do feel very special.
Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now.
hotel, and it's been a long day. You're tired?
Yes.
We're tired because tomorrow we have to get up and get ready 7:45 in the morning. I'll just say good night. Thank you so much for watching the episode 2. Bye. You say one bye bye.
Bye.
再见。